Okay, a square has a side length of 12 centimeters, and the midpoints of the square are joined, creating a smaller square with 4 triangles. So let's look at the first one here. Let me just draw 2 extra lines here. If I do that, it's clear that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1/8. Okay, it's 1/8 of the original area, which is 12 squared, right? And then the second stage, right, we have to add, right? So it's 1/8. Exact same way, so it's 1/8 of 1/8. So it's going to be 1/8 square of 12 squared. That's what that area is. Okay. In stage 3, okay, stage 3, it's going to be 1/8 cube of 12 squared. And there's a pattern. 1/8 to the power of 4, 12 squared. Okay, so this is stage 4. So I'm going to say stage 4, if you are to add up all the way up to stage 4, the answer will be this. If you continue this process, what will be the total area of the shaded region in stage 6? So stage 6 will be 1/8. So we can actually factor out the 12 squared, and we get 1/8, 1/8 squared, 1/8 cubed, all the way up to 1/8 to the power of 6. Okay, so this question is actually was given in a geometric sequence section, but this is individually, each of these are geometric sequence, a term in a geometric sequence, but we're adding up a bunch of terms, the first 6 terms in a geometric sequence, and this is called a geometric series. Okay, and the way we add this, let me just call this part here just S, normal S. Square 6. The way we do that is we multiply the S by the common ratio, which is 1/8, and we're going to get 1/8 squared. The term before this will become 1/8 to the power of 6, and this will become 1/8 to the power of 7. And what we do is we subtract it, and every term in the middle will get cancelled out, and we have 1 minus 1/8, which is 7/8. S will equal to 1/8 minus 1/8 to the power of 7. You can multiply both sides by 8 and get 1 minus 1/8 to the power of 6. Right? So then S would be then 1/7 of 1 minus 1/8 to the power of 6. So this all can be replaced with that. Okay. And at which point we can maybe choose to simplify this a little bit more or use a calculator. It won't really simplify too much. I'm just gonna write it as 12 to the power of 8, 7, 1 minus 1/8 to the power of 6. 12 is 2 squared times by 3. So that's 2 to the power of 16, 3 to the power of 8. Okay, so then 8, 8 at the bottom is 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 6. So that's 2 to the power of 18. Actually, so maybe it's worthwhile multiplying this in, because we're going to get 2 to the power of 16 times by 3 to the power of 8 minus 2 to the power of 16 times 3 to the power of 8 over 2 to the power of 18. Okay, so that will simplify, right? So this here, I'm just going to write it back, just leave it as 12 to the power of 8. So what I'm trying to do here is just to make the expression a little bit simpler, and we're doing quite a bit of work for it. Okay, and here it's going to reduce to give you 3 to the power of 8 over 2 squared. Most likely in a question like this, you can stop here, and if they want it, you can punch that in the calculator and give them a decimal answer.